Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's simple yet indispensable, perfect for anyone who loves multitasking tools that make life easier. We're reviewing the Q-tips Swabs Travel Pack 30-count pack of 1 in blue. If you've ever wondered whether this little travel companion deserves a spot in your purse, bag, or glove compartment, stick around. Let's explore every detail of these iconic cotton swabs. Let's start with the product overview. The Q-tips Travel Pack features 30 cotton swabs housed in a compact, durable case, making it perfect for on-the-go convenience. These aren't your ordinary cotton swabs. Q-tips are crafted with 100% pure cotton at each end, providing softness and precision for a wide range of uses. Whether you're touching up your eyeliner, cleaning delicate jewelry, or even crafting, these swabs promise versatility and quality. And the travel-friendly case? A game changer for organization and hygiene. When it comes to real-world use, this little pack shines. Setting it up? Well, there's really no setup involved. Pop it in your purse or travel bag, and you're good to go. During testing, I used these swabs to touch up a winged eyeliner. Hello, precision. Clean out small crevices in my car's dashboard, and even apply glue to a craft project. Each time they performed flawlessly, with the cotton tips staying intact and offering excellent control. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the compact case is sturdy and keeps the swabs hygienic. The cotton tips are soft yet firm enough for precision work. Their versatility is unmatched. You can use them for beauty, cleaning, crafting, and more. Cons: at 30 swabs, the pack might feel a bit limited for extended travel or heavy use. And while the blue case is functional, it doesn't stand out much in terms of design. In terms of value for money, the Q-tips Travel Pack offers excellent utility for its price. You're paying for trusted quality and thoughtful packaging. While you could find cheaper generic cotton swabs, they often lack the same softness, durability, or compact travel case. Compared to similar products, Q-tips still lead the pack. Many generic swabs either fray easily or have less cotton on the tips, making them less effective for precision tasks. The sturdy travel case is another feature that generic options usually skip, giving Q-tips a clear edge in portability and hygiene. Build quality is another win for Q-tips. The sticks are firm but not brittle, and the cotton is securely attached, ensuring no mess or unraveling during use. While I haven't used this specific travel pack long enough to comment on longevity, Q-tips as a brand are renowned for reliability. Now, let's take a quick break. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest beauty tips and tricks. Your support keeps us going. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, some generic cotton swabs come in larger travel packs at a lower cost. However, you may sacrifice quality and convenience, so weigh your priorities carefully. To wrap things up, the Q-tips Swabs Travel Pack is an absolute must-have for anyone who values quality, versatility, and portability. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast, a DIY crafter, or someone who loves to stay organized, this product delivers on its promises. Sure, it's not the most glamorous item in your beauty kit, but it's one of the most dependable. Thank you for tuning into Beautyistic. The link to grab this handy travel pack can be found in the comments below. Have you used Q-tips for something creative or unexpected? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay practical, and keep making life a little more beautyistic.